Are you feeling stuck? Not sure how to use the essential oils after learning about them? You are in the right place. My name is Jennifer Snell and I help women live life more naturally using essential oils. In this video, I will demonstrate step by step how I use essential oils to help support my body and balance my hormones. So come on, let me show you how. First thing in the morning, I like to have water with lemon essential oil. I keep a glass right by my bed so I can make sure to drink a glass when I wake up. This helps me meet my goal of getting enough water throughout the day. Did you know that it is recommended to drink half your weight in ounces of water daily? Check out my video about drinking more water with essential oils. Then I will fill up my diffusers with my favorite oils. I love to diffuse citrus oils. They smell amazing, plus they uplift my mood. For breakfast, I make a vanilla smoothie using oat milk. I like to add a scoop of the Doterra greens. Doterra greens supports healthy immune function, digestion, weight management, and energy. A mix of superfoods are packed in Doterra greens to provide you a nutritious boost. 1 scoop of Doterra greens powder provides the nutritional equivalency of approximately 1 to 2 servings of fruits and vegetables. 1 scoop of fiber. According to the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine, even with a healthy diet, most people only get half the amount of fiber they need. The FDA recommends 25 to 38 grams of dietary fiber every day, depending on age, weight, and gender. That's a lot of raw vegetables and bowls of oatmeal. Doterra Fiber was created as a convenient and delicious way to supplement your fiber intake. 1 serving of Doterra Fiber provides 6 grams of soluble and insoluble fiber, CPTG, lemon essential oil, natural vitamin C, and a unique prebiotic blend. Then I add 1 scoop of collagen because as we know, collagen is great for your bones, your skin. So we all want to feel young and look amazing, don't we? Then I add 1 cup of frozen berries and a few drops of essential oils. Today I'm adding a couple drops of wild orange and grapefruit. I also take my supplements twice a day. Some of those supplements include the phytoestrogen, which helps to balance my hormones, and the DDR Prime. DDR Prime includes frankincense, wild orange, litsea, thyme, clove, summer savory, niaouli, and lemongrass essential oils, shown in studies to promote a healthy response to free radicals while supporting healthy cellular function. Along with Z-omega. Omega fatty acids help support cardiovascular and brain health and support a healthy immune function. This was especially formulated to be used daily with the Microplex VMZ and Alpha CRS as a comprehensive dietary supplement foundation for a lifetime of vitality and wellness. If you are finding value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. During the day, if I am having a hot flash, I grab my spray bottle and use it to cool my body naturally. I have peppermint, clary sage, and lavender along with water in the spray bottle. Just make sure to shake it up before each use. I also made a roller bottle that has all of the oils good at supporting your hormones, and then I use this throughout the day. Whenever I go to the bathroom, I make sure to apply the essential oils on my abdomen. Before bed, I like to take a bath with some bath salts and then adding essential oils to the salts. My favorite combo is using ylang ylang, lavender, clary sage, and Roman chamomile. At night, I add essential oils to my diffuser. I like to add lavender and vetiver to help create a calming atmosphere. I take 3 of my Serenity pills to help me get a good night's sleep, along with 1 copaiba and a bone nutrient with the phytoestrogen. I like to roll on some essential oils on the bottoms of my feet, chest, and earlobes. Applying essential oils on your feet is one of the best places to apply essential oils because you have one of the largest pores on the bottoms of your feet. Check out my next video on essential oil must-haves for stress. As we all know, stress plays a huge role in our body. So go check it out. See you on the next video.